What is up? It is day 3. I started and then I was like, oh yeah, gotta film. I've been horrible at that. Horrible at just talking to you guys, just keeping you informed, entertained. So I'll show you what I've done so far today. So I removed the grill. So one of the main things, first things I always love to do, because it just looks funky, remove the grill and paint the emblems. I like the way they look all black. All black, it just looks all good. So if you look, they got sprayed a little bit. This one is obviously for the rear door. So it's got this little peg that it sticks through, and there's like a little lock nut type thing that holds it on. The front clips in. So you see those little tabs, they clip in. I'll show you that. So here's the grill, and you can see all the little spots that it clips in. So that's what it looks like from the back. These are the tabs that hold it in place. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then up top there's 1, 2, 3 places where you have some screws. So they go right there. So they go right here, right here, and right here. Just be careful with the tabs that are all around here, as they're pretty flimsy. So, you know, be careful. That's how you get to this area if you need to do anything. Obviously, that's the wimpy horn. Very, very wimpy. But for the back, so it's on the back door, and like I said, it's got this little nut that goes in that back peg, and then it goes like this, snaps on, and then the emblem's all around here. I'll show you as I put it back together. And I'm gonna go through a more thorough video of this seat, explaining it, but it has been in place. It's one of the first things we did so that we could take the boys on a ride. I had Colleen's dad come and help hold the bolts for backup so I could take it out, because we'll be taking it out to take this floor out today and insulate the ribs, do that. That's the thing that I'm doing today, is taking this floor out, insulating the ribs. I've got some mini sail, 3/8 inch mini sail that I'll probably slide in the ribs just to give it a little bit. I don't want to raise this floor up any, because we do have the Flatline Van Company little extension that'll go right here. So I don't want to raise it up too much. And then we still have to do our flooring, our life-proof flooring. So the seat needs to come out now. It's unbolted, just need to pick it up, bring it out, take all this junk out, and then go from there. So what I use to spray it is this, it's hood, bumper, and trim paint. So it'll kind of have the same look, same blackness color as the rest of the thing. And it's pretty good. So it's for metal, plastic, fiberglass, everything. Scratch resistant. I mean, it's really good stuff. So you obviously, with anything you spray paint, you want to do a light layer, another light layer, and then you come just, you know. You don't want to just cover it all at once. Trust me, I know I'm impatient, and I want to cover it all at once, but you can't. You gotta do a couple of steps. Gonna go ahead and install the grill back now that the emblem is blacked out. It is dry, it's ready to go in. Like I said, there's these clips. You gotta clip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Once those are in, then you will secure it with the screws up top. I'll show you that. a T25 that you want. For this now, you will look to see where that needs to go. Obviously the emblem goes up like this. And then you're just gonna start snapping it in. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but the forecast today was no rain, none, sunny sky. So what I do, I mixed up a vinegar, salt, Dawn dishwashing soap concoction to go spray all the weeds. And it's storming. The weeds were just starting to die, turn brown after like 2 hours. And this crap happens. Okay, so what you see here, these strips, this is mini cell foam T200. It's 3/8 inch thick. I bought it from foamfactory.com. Price is really nice, and I think over like $75 you spend. It's free shipping, so it's really nice. Roll it up in a box, ship it. So what I'm doing, I'm just cutting these little strips so they can fit into the divots in the floor. And this is my first time using this. What I have used in the past is the foam that you can buy at like Home Depot or Lowe's, you know, the foam board, the pinkish purple stuff, and it just makes a huge mess. It is harder to cut because, you know, it's just, I don't know. This stuff's really easy. Now that I've got my mini cell kill mat down, it's time to put the floor back. So I'm just going back with the factory floor that you saw before there. So let's put it back. And the factory floor is back on, everything bolted back down. Goodies. That's the windows, new windows. So we've got 2 bunk windows, sliding door window, and opposite sliding door window. So happy about that. Time to unbox, make sure everything is there.